Best Choice Products Bump and Go Tool Truck. This item is equipped with 4 different tools including a drill, hammer, wrench, and screwdriver. These can all be interchanged to fix up the truck or to use on the accessories that come in the truck. Some accessories include screws and nails that can all be organized within the compartments of the truck. Some notable features include the rear winding panel, front hood, and working headlights. The Bump and Go feature plays a fun sing-along song as it travels on any flat surface, and when it hits a wall, it will simply back up and change directions. This item comes with cool stickers to help decorate the body of the truck. Thank you for making us your best choice.